you're loyal, your partner's gonna get 1,000 rand.
Okay, I'm gonna get 1,000 rand.
Yeah,
That's loyal.
if your if you are loyal, your partner's gonna get 1,000 rand.
Let's go. Let's go.
Is your partner light skinned or dark skinned? She's dark skinned. Okay. And how long have you guys been together?
About 3 years now.
About 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And when last did you see your partner?
This morning.
This morning. Oh, wait.
Wow.
This morning your partner slept over, or
Yeah, she slept over. She left in the morning. She went to work.
she did what?
She slept over.
She.
She left in the morning when she went to work.
Oh. Do you guys stay together?
No, we don't stay together.
And what's your partner's name?
Tapsi.
Fa unikhala masimba wena. Thabisile wani?
Kanti ngikhuluma nobani kanti?
Kanti
Tapsile.
usuthana noThabisile wena manje?
Uyamazi Thabisile?
Ubani uThabisile?
Uyamazi?
Yabo manje izinto zenzayo.
Ubani uThabisile?
Yeah, but akithi uyazi sethu masiqala le shandisi le mina ngasho ukuthi mina nawe siyatekisana kodwa khona ubuye ungiserious naye kasho ke.
Washo.
But not in so many words.
Okay. Ukhuluma noba wena manje?
How? Yake noTombi lo.
Yo size uyinja yezwa. Cha uyinja yezwa. So three.
I hear.
Wena unamuntu 3 years manje?
Lalela, sis.
Yeah, yabo izinto ongibuza zona. Indaba singakhulumi mina nawe sihlale phansi.
Umnqundu wena nje umnqundu lento ngitshela yona umnqundu njengamanje 2 years wonke ungenza isilima wena unoThabisile unoNtombi nonsense
Kodwa now wenzani lapho?
ngenzani lapho ngubani mina
Yeah,
Ukhona omunye. There is voice behind.
akar
I don't know if it's Reggie or if there is someone, but ngizwa something in the back.